Na mesmo momento, aunque por mira que já acaba Aruba está avançada em energia alternativa e está contente com a direção de como Aruba está indo para a energia sustentável, Premier Eman está consciente que ainda falta hope para trazer para o futuro.
I would like to suggest today, with the different important progress we have been informed of programs that change, for instance, capitalization can also become possible for countries with higher capital income for investment in sustainable energy. One of the things we definitely have to do together for all the islands to make this conversion is to create a business plan in where the utility companies will see the future when we go all green. If they don't see the future in this transition, they will object. And in your country, they have the moral ground. They have the technical knowledge. They can discuss with politicians about if this is achievable or not, and you will not win the debate unless the utility companies are part of the process. So one thing we would like to share with everyone in the experience of Aruba, bring the utilities along, and where there is anxiety, take away the anxiety by sharing a vision on where there will be a new position for the utility companies in the future, and you will be successful also in this transition as we are at this moment in Aruba.